Can you?
Yes.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss linear equation in two variables. Now, the basic of this one, Sazia, you already know. Sara and Ayan, focus over here. Okay, linear equation in two variable. That means here we are going to discuss about linear. This terminology must be clear to you. Linear polynomial we have already discussed. Whenever the degree of the polynomial is 1, that's called linear polynomial. So yes, here also we will be talking about the highest power of the variable is 1. Okay, but here two different variables will be there, two different x and y will be there, or maybe y and z will be there, or maybe z and t, any two different types of variable will be there. And equations, yeah, here we will be talking about equation in mathematics. Whenever this terminology equation you will see, that means there will be equality sign, there will be equality sign, that's called equation. Okay, so here we are going to discuss linear equation in two variable. For example, x plus y is equals to maybe 15. Okay, this is one of the example of linear equation in two variable. Now here we will be talking about how to find the solution of linear equation in two variable, and how to represent it in standard format, that also we will be talking over here. So first thing, what will be the solution whenever we were having linear equation in one variable? In your previous class you must have seen such equation, that is 2x plus x is equals to 5. Can you tell me, Sara and Ayan, what will be the value of x? Is it possible to solve it? Two x plus x is equals to 5. Is it possible to find the x value from here, Sara and Ayan?
Yes.
What will be the x value? Tell me.
Can you repeat the question?
I am saying that find the x value from here. 2x plus x is equals to 5. 5. Find the x value from here. Yeah. Yes, Azia, you can also try. Anyone from here?
5/2.
Is it 5 by 2? Sara, Sazia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 2x plus x will be
3x. 3x.
3x is equals to 5. And x will be 5 by 2 or 5 by 3.
5/3.
So whenever we are having one variable, a linear equation in one variable, easily we are able to find the solution of that. We are able to find the solution of that. But when we are having linear equation in two variable, that is x plus y is equals to 15, here it will not be possible to find the x value and to find the y value. It will not be possible. Again, if you want me to give more example of the linear equation in one variable, let me give it to you. Suppose you are having 2y plus 20 is equals to 30. Can you find the solution, that means the y value from here?
Ma'am, are you sharing your screen and like writing something on the whiteboard, because I can't see anything?
Oh, wait. Any Sarah, Ayan, no one can see my screen?
Ma'am, we can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sazia can see. Ayan can see. Sarah, you can't see, right?
Yes.
Let me share it one more time. I'm not sure why. Just a second. I was sharing the whiteboard, okay, because I was not able to open that OneNote today. That's what I started sharing the whiteboard. Just a second. Can you see it, Sarah?
No, I still can't. I rejoined the meeting.
You have rejoined or you will rejoin?
I will rejoin.
Oh, yeah, yeah, please try it. Zunad, you are here? Can you see it, Sarah?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay. So I had given the example that if suppose there is 5x plus 40 is equals to 50. Is it possible to find the x value from here?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What will be the x value? Tell me. Anyone can say. Sarah,
2.
Sazia, Ayan. Zunad, you are here.
yeah, I was asked to join for I, I was asked to join for something.
Okay. This class is for class 9. I think you have mistaken with the link.
Actually, okay. Okay.
Check it.
X is equals to 2.
Is it 2?
X equals to 2. Yes. So whenever we are having linear equation in one variable, easily we are able to find the value of the variable, whatever variable is there, x, y, z, whatever is there, we are able to solve it. Yes or no?
Yes.
But when you will be having two variable linear equation, that is x plus y is equals to, let's say, any number, let's say 15. Okay. If you are having linear equation in two variable, then you won't be able to find the solution. If you will, is it possible to find the x and y value from here? Is it possible to add x and y? No, it is not possible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so here it is not possible. If we will try guessing what can be the what can be the possible x value and the possible y value, which added together will generate 15. So we will come to a point that maybe x is 10 and y is 5. Added together is making 15. So maybe these are the two possible value of x and y. Can you tell me more possible value of x and y, Sarah, Sazia, and Ayan?
7 and 8.
X7 and y as a 8. Exactly. This is also one of the possible value of x and y. What can be the next possible value of x and y? Anything?
14 and 1.
Exactly. 14 and 1. This is also one of the possible value of x and y. What else can be the possible value of x and y?
9 and 6.
9 and 6. So how many possible values we are having? If I will tell you that decimal number is also acceptable, possible value of x and y can be decimal number also, because when we were solving linear equation in two variable previously, 2x plus x is equals to 5 I had written, and that time we got x value as a fractional number, that means decimal number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the solution can be fractional number also, the solution can be decimal number also. So maybe x equals to maybe 9.5 and y is equals to 5.5. This two also added together is making 15. Is it a solution? Yes. So how many solutions are there? There are infinite solutions. Okay. If you want me to show it on the graph, Let me show it on the graph. Just a second. Just a second, let me show it on the graph so that you will be clear with the concept that how many solutions can be there. Meanwhile, Sazia, can you tell me how many solutions can be there?
Infinitely many.
Infinitely many solutions will be there. If we will be having x plus y is equals to 15, and if you will look at the graph, can you see the graph? X plus y is equals to 15. Okay, this is a big value. That's why the graph is just have gone that side. If I'll take x plus y is equals to, let's say, 4. Can you see the graph?
Yes, ma'am.
How many solutions are there? Now I will scroll 0, 4. Can you see the solution? Can you see the solution? Now you will, can you see I am dragging the point 1.68, 2.32. This is also solution. This two number added together will generate 4. Okay. Next solution 1.8, 2.2. Next solution 2.13, 1.87. Next solution. Can you see how many solutions are there? Can you see infinite? Can you see?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's why we say that whenever we are having linear equation in two variable, how many solutions are there? There are infinitely many possible x and y value, which we can see in the graph also. That 4.88 and minus, okay, since it is just getting scrolled down. 4.62 and minus 0.62. This is also one of the solution. If you will add this two number, definitely you are going to get 4 only. If you will add 4.59 and 0.59, if you will add this negative number with a positive number, your result will be 4. So this is also one of the possible solution. Solution can be positive, solution can be negative, solution can be decimal number. How many solutions are there? Infinite solutions are there. This much part of the graph only you can see. But when I will scroll up and up and up and up and up, if we will just see the figure like this, then you can see so many solutions are there. The graph is going till like infinity, top side, here also bottom side. So how many solutions are there? There are infinitely many solutions when we are having linear equation in two variables. Is it clear, Sarah, Ayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sazia, to you it's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, now let's get back to our whiteboard. Can you see the screen, everyone? Sarah,
Yes,
Sazia,
ma'am.
and Ayan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So now the next concept is how to represent. We understood there will be infinitely many solutions. Okay. When we are having linear equation in two variable. Now there is a standard format of linear equation in two variable, and the standard format is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So whenever we will be having linear equation in two variable, maybe if we are having linear equation in two variable as a 4x minus y is equals to 2. If the instruction is write it in the standard format, we will be writing 4x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0. Like this we are trying to write. Now if the question will be what is a, what is b, what is c, can you tell me, Sarah and Ayan, what is a, what is b, what is c?
A is 4x.
4 only. A is a number. A is just 4. Whatever is multiplied with x, that is a. What is b?
1
+1 or
minus
-1?
minus
-1. C is
-2.
2 minus 2.
-2. Okay, so this is the standard format. AX plus BY plus C is equals to 0. Don't get confused with the quadratic polynomial standard format. That was AX square plus BX plus C is equals to 0, or just ax square plus bx plus c. Here we are having ax plus by plus c. Different variables we are having over here. So if our polynomial, if sorry, the linear equation in two variable will be given like this: 5z is equals to 3t. Write it in the standard format. We must know we must know that standard format is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Even if it is not given in the question or the instruction part, we must know that linear equation in two variable has a standard format ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now if question is 5z is equals to 3t, what is A, what is B, what is C? We will be thinking about that later on. But at first, let's write it in the standard form. So we will be writing 5z minus 3t is equals to 0. Keep everything on one side and maintain 0 on the other side. That's what the standard format says. Okay. Now the question is, what is A, what is B, what is C? So first variable's coefficient is A. We can say A is 5 over here. And the second variable, Y, coefficient is B. I said to you every time it will not be XY. It can be Z and T. It can be U, V. So the other variable coefficient is -3. And what about C? C is nothing, 0. Getting it, Sara, Sazia and Ayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how we will be writing in standard format, and then if asked in the question, we will be finding A value, B value and C value. Okay, let's do few questions quickly. So suppose we are having 2x plus 3y is equals to 4.37. Write this one in the standard format. Sara and Ayan, you are going to answer me because Sazia has already done this one. Tell me what to write when we have to represent it in standard format. Number 1, 2x plus 3y, then yes, Sara and Ayan, write it in the standard format. Standard format means we have to maintain 0 on one side, on the right hand side. Then how we will be writing the given linear equation in two variable in standard form? Yes, Sazia, can you tell me what will be there?
Ma'am, 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equals to 0.
Exactly, 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equals to 0. Basically, we have to represent it like this one. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Have we represented the given linear equation in two variable like that? Yes, we have represented. Now, can you tell me, Sazia, what is A, what is B, and what is C?
2 is A, 3 is y, 3 is b, and 4 minus 4.37 is c.
Now, Sara and Ayan, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me the next one. Yes, Sara or Ayan, anyone?
X minus 4 minus root 3y is
Yes, we
equal to
can write
0.
it like this. But if we will write this y coefficient, y term in the middle, that will be like more accurate because can you see the standard form?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we can also write it as a x minus root 3y minus 4 is equals to 0. Now, Ayan, what is A, what is B, and what is C?
A is +1.
B is
B plus minus root 3 and C is minus 4.
Perfect. So this is how we just have to represent it in the standard form, and we just have to write what is A, what is B, what is C. Is it that difficult?
No, no.
The instruction will be clear. Write the following linear equation in two variable in the standard form. Maybe in the instruction part only ax plus by plus c will also be written. That write it like this. And then find a, b, c. We will be able to do that, right? If suppose 2x is equals to y is there, then what will be there? Sarah and Ayan.
2x minus y
Exactly, 2x minus y is equals to 0. What is a, what is b, what is c?
is 2, b is minus 1,
And c is
c is 0.
perfect. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. Okay, now let's continue with the solution of linear equation in two variable. From here, like we have not discussed, right, Sazia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so find two solutions for each of the following equations. Okay, how many solutions will be there when we are having linear equation in two variable? Infinitely many solution will be there. In MCQ question, if this question comes that linear equation in two variable has one solution, two solution, three solution, infinitely many solution, your answer will be it has infinitely many solution. There are so many x and y possible value which will satisfy the equation. What is the meaning of satisfying the equation? That means there are so many x and y value which when we will take it, left hand side and right hand side will come out as the same. Okay, now here we have to find from that infinitely many solution, we just have to find two solutions we have to find. Okay, let me write the equations. So the first equation is 4x plus 3y is equals to 12. The next one is 2x plus 5y is equals to 0. The next one is 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. Like these are the three linear equation in two variable. What we have to do here, we have to find two solution. How many solutions are there? Infinitely many solutions are there, and we just have to find two solution. Now how exactly we will be finding two solution? There is a process for that. Okay, let's discuss that. Just a second now. So whenever we have to find two solutions, basically we will focus on two most important solution. That is when x is 0, then what is the y value? We will be substituting x equals to 0 by ourselves randomly. By ourselves, we are substituting x equals to 0 in the given equation, and we will try finding the y value. Let's substitute x equals to 0 over here, and please tell me what will be the y value. Substitute x equals to 0 over here. You will be able to calculate the y value. Tell me what is that y value.
4.
So when x equals to 0, we will substitute. It will be 4 into 0 plus 3y is equals to 12. That means 3y is equals to 12. That means, just a second. That means y is equals to 12 by 3, that means 4. When we have taken x as a 0, we got y as a 4. This is one of the solution. We can write it in this format. Because now only I was showing you the graph, and in the graph I was showing you that all the points are solution. So it was written in the coordinate form. So yes, we can write our solution in the coordinate form. This is one of the solution. How we found this solution? See, this solution is very important. X equals to 0, you have to calculate the y value. You just have to put x equals to 0 by yourself in the given equation, and you will be able to calculate the other variable. That will give you one of the solution. If you want to check it by substituting x as a 0 and y as a 4 over here, check it. You will be able to get 12 only. 4x plus 3y. In this left hand side part only, if you will substitute x as a 0 and y as a 4, you will be able to get 12. Check it. If we will substitute just for checking purpose, okay, just for checking purpose, if we will take only the left hand side, that is 4x plus 3y, and here if we will substitute x value as a 0 and y value as a 4, what will be the answer? Calculate it. Sara, Sazia and Ayan.
12.
We are going to get 12 only.
12.
Is that equals to our right hand side? Yes. So is it one of the solution? Yes. We have already understood all such possible x and y value which will create left hand side and right hand side equal. Those are the solutions. And yes, 0, 4 is a solution. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
0, 4 is one of the solution. From so many solution, one of the solution is 0, 4. Here, how many solution we have to find? Two solution, two different coordinate, two different x, y values we have to find. So one of the solution always we will be finding like this. This is very important point. X equals to 0 and calculating y. This is very important point. I will show you why. And next solution we will be finding by taking y is equals to 0 and then we will calculate x value. From where? From the given equation. Substitute y is equals to 0 and calculate the x value from here.
3.
3. Let's check it. When we will substitute y as a 0 in this equation, 4x plus 3y is equals to 12. Here we will substitute y as a 0. So we will be left with 4x, 3y means 3 into 0. Okay. 3 into 0 is equals to 12. If you will solve it, you will be getting 4x is equals to 12. That means x value will be 3. When we have taken y as a 0 by ourselves, we got x as a 3. So 3, 0, first while writing the coordinate form, first always we will be writing the x coordinate and then the y coordinate. Be careful with that. So 3, 0 is the other solution. We were supposed to find two solutions, and these two solutions are very important solution. Let me show you why. Can you see the screen, Sara, Sazia and Ayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Equation was 4x plus 3y is equals to 12. We have found, can you see, we have found 0, 4 and we have found 3, 0. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many solutions are there? See, still infinitely many solutions are there. Can you see?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Still infinitely many solutions are there. Then why we found this 2 point only? We found this 2 point only because these 2 points are very important. One of the point means wherever the graph is touching the x-axis. and the other point is graph is touching the y-axis. These 2 points in future, you will realize these 2 points are very important, where exactly the graph is touching the x-axis and where exactly the graph is touching the y-axis. So now you don't have to go that deep that why, what is the importance of that. You just keep in mind that these 2 points are very important. Okay, which 2 point? When x is 0, what is the y value? When y is 0, what is the x value? X is 0 means on the x is 0 means like on the y axis, where exactly the graph is touching the y axis. Okay, whenever we have to find two solutions, always we will be finding two solutions like this. At first we will be taking x equals to 0, we will be finding y value. Then we will be taking y is equals to 0 and we will be finding x value. This is how we will be end up getting 2 points. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do it for the rest of the questions. Next one is 2x plus 5y is equals to 0. You have to find two solutions. I have already explained the process. Take x equals to 0 by yourself and try finding y value from here. That way you will end up getting one coordinate, and the other coordinate, take y value as a 0 by yourself and calculate x with the help of given equation, and you will end up getting the other coordinate. Coordinate means it's a solution. Find it, Sara, Sazia and Ayan. Are you able to find Sara, Sazia and Ayan?
No, ma'am.
Two solutions we have to find over here. When you have taken x as a 0, what you got as a y value? First tell me.
Ma'am, I got 0.
Okay, Ayan got 0. When he has taken x as a 0, he ended up getting y as a 0. What about you, Sara and Sazia? Yes, it will come out as a 0. Check it. When you will take x as a 0 and you will put over here 2 into 0, y value you want to find, right? 5y is equals to 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Plus 5y is equals to 0. Okay. Now 5y is equals to 0. y is equals to 0 by 5. That means 0. So when we have taken x as a 0, we ended up getting y as a 0. When we took x as a 0, automatically y came out as a 0 when we were solving the equation. So is it one of the solution? Yes. Yes, it is one of the solution. Always it will not be true. Always it will not be true. 0, 0 will not be true always. Let me show you one condition. X plus y is equals to 15. Here if you will substitute x as a 0, y as a 0, it will not be true. It will not be true for this equation. But for our equation, 0, 0 came out. It is one of the solution. Getting it? Check it. When you will substitute here, at the place of x, you will substitute 0. At the place of y, you will substitute 0. Then right hand side and left hand side will be equal. Getting it?
Yes.
Sarah, Sazia.
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, 0, 0 is one of the solution. What about the other solution? I said to you clearly, whenever you have to find two solution, take this two most important point, that is x equals to 0 and find the y value. Then take y is equals to 0 and find the x value. This way you will end up getting two different coordinates. But here we are getting same coordinate. If we will be taking y as a 0 in this equation, 2x plus 5y is equals to 0. In this equation, if we will substitute 0 at the place of y, this time, not x, y is 0, and we will try finding the x value. We will try finding the x value. Then x will also come out as a 0. Okay? It will be x. X will come out as a 0. Y we have already taken 0. Again the same coordinate 0, 0. So have we found two different solution? No. 0, 0, 0, 0 in both the scenario. That means we have found only one coordinate, one solution. By using both way, like both the steps we have performed, but we ended up getting only one solution. That is 0, 0. In the instruction part, it was clearly written that find two different solution. If you want me to show how many solutions are there, still I can show you that there are infinitely many solutions. And you have to just find two different solutions. So one of the solution is 0, 0. Okay. By using both the steps, we have found a single point, that is 0, 0. It's okay. Now still we have to find the next coordinate, or you can say the next solution. How we will be doing that? There is a process that randomly you take whatever be the x value. You can take x as a 1, you can take x as a 2, you can take x as a 3, you can take x as a -1, you can take x as a -2, -3, any number you can take for x, and you can calculate the y value with the help of the given equation, and that way you will end up getting one solution. Okay, so what if suppose Sarah said that what if we will be taking x as a 1? Is it possible to calculate y value? Is it possible to get one solution with the help of x equals to 1? Randomly we have chosen this x equals to 1. Okay. Yes, it is possible. What we will do, we will use the same equation. The condition is take anything by yourself but use the same equation. So x equals to 1 randomly we have picked. And then we will be using 2x plus 5y is equals to 0. Here we will substitute x equals to 1. And we will be able to calculate one y value. And yes, that will be one of the solution. It will be 2 plus 5y is equals to 0. It will be 5y. Can you tell me what is the value of y?
0.
It will be
0.
again 0. This 2 will go to other side. It will be 0 minus 2 this time. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so other side we are having -2 this time, and by 5. This is one of the solution. When we have taken 1 randomly as a x, y came out as a -2 by 5, and it is one of the solution. If you want to check it. When you will substitute at the place of like everyone, Sazia, do you understand Hindi as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो सोल्यूशन का मतलब ही यही होता है, कोई ऐसा कोऑर्डिनेट जो हमारे इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई कर देगा। सेटिस्फाई का मतलब क्या होता है, राइट हैंड साइड और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को इक्वल कर देगा। तो हमारा इक्वेशन क्या है, 2x प्लस 5y इज इक्वल टू 0। ये है इक्वेशन हमारा, 2x प्लस 5y इज इक्वल टू 0। सबसे पहले ही हमने डे 1 में इनिशियली व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड डिस्कसिंग लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल, तभी हमने डिस्कस कर लिया कि सोल्यूशन का मतलब क्या होता है, एक्स और वाई का वो पॉसिबल वैल्यू जो कैलकुलेट करके राइट हैंड साइड दे दे, उसी को सोल्यूशन बोलते हैं। अब ये जो हमने निकाला है, ये क्या सोल्यूशन है, चलो चेक कर लेते हैं। तो क्या करेंगे, एक्स और वाई का वैल्यू यहाँ पे जो हमने निकाल रखा है यहाँ पे पुट कर देंगे। तो एक्स के प्लेस पे 1 और वाई के प्लेस पे -2/5, और कैलकुलेट करके देखेंगे कि राइट हैंड साइड में जो है वो आ रहा है कि नहीं। लेट्स डू कैलकुलेट। सो 2 into 1 is 2, 5 gone. Here we ended up having -2. 2 plus -2 is
0.
0। तो राइट हैंड साइड में जो नंबर है, जो वैल्यू है, वही हमें मिल रहा है, हाँ या ना? हाँ, हमें मिल रहा है। तो ये पॉइंट सोल्यूशन होगा, हाँ ये पॉइंट सोल्यूशन होगा। कैसे पता लगा ये पॉइंट सोल्यूशन होगा? एज रैंडमली कभी भी कोई भी एक्स वैल्यू तुम ले लो, ओके, एंड वाई वैल्यू इक्वेशन की हेल्प से कैलकुलेट करो, ऐसे हमेशा हमेशा एक सोल्यूशन मिल जाएगा। इनफाइनाइट सोल्यूशन में से एक सोल्यूशन सिर्फ अगर चाहिए तो कोई भी एक्स ले लो, एक्स 1 ले लो, 2 ले लो, 3 ले लो, 4 ले लो, कुछ भी ले लो एक्स के लिए, और उसको इक्वेशन में सब्सटीट्यूट करके वाई निकालना है। कहीं से भी वाई अब नहीं ले सकते, ठीक है? कोई एक ही वेरिएबल रैंडमली चूज कर सकते हैं, या तो एक्स कहीं से भी ले लो, चूज कर लो और वाई इक्वेशन की हेल्प से कैलकुलेट करो, या फिर वाई कुछ भी ले लो अपने से, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 एनीथिंग, कुछ भी ले लो और इक्वेशन की हेल्प से एक्स कैलकुलेट करो। ऐसे जो पॉइंट क्रिएट होगा वो एक सोल्यूशन होगा। आ रहा है समझ में मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how we will end up having one of the solution. अगर क्वेश्चन में 2 सॉल्यूशंस निकालना है तो ये जो 2 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सॉल्यूशन है, x 0 ले लिया तो y क्या होगा, y 0 ले लिया तो x क्या होगा, ये 2 पॉइंट हमेशा हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे। बट ये दोनों पॉइंट कैलकुलेट करने के बाद अगर सेम ही कोऑर्डिनेट मिल गया, मतलब अभी तक सिर्फ एक सॉल्यूशन फाइंड किया है हमने, एक कोऑर्डिनेट मतलब एक ही सोल्यूशन फाइंड किया है, 0 0। अब दूसरा हमें अभी भी फाइंड करना है, उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए कुछ भी x लेके और y इक्वेशन की हेल्प से कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो दूसरा सोल्यूशन मिल जाएगा। या फिर कुछ भी y लेके कोई भी वैल्यू y का 5 6 7 8 10 30 -30 -40, कुछ भी डेसिमल नंबर, फ्रैक्शनल नंबर, कुछ भी ले लो y और x कैलकुलेट कर लो इक्वेशन की हेल्प से, तब जो पॉइंट क्रिएट होगा, जो कोऑर्डिनेट मिलेगा, वो भी एक सोल्यूशन होगा। तो सोल्यूशन फाइंड करने का ये वेज है। आ रहा है समझ में
Yes, ma'am.
सारा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
गेटिंग इट? सो दीज आर द वेज ऑफ फाइंडिंग द सोल्यूशन। अब चलो कोई एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जिसमें बोल रहा है 4 सोल्यूशन फाइंड करना, ओके, बोल रहा है सपोज देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन, लेट्स से 2x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 7। इसमें कितने सॉल्यूशंस फाइंड करने हैं, फाइंड 4 सॉल्यूशंस। सो जब भी 4 सोल्यूशन 5 सोल्यूशन जितने भी सोल्यूशन फाइंड करने होंगे तो 2 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सोल्यूशन हम लोग हमेशा फाइंड करेंगे, उसका इंपॉर्टेंस फ्यूचर में पता लगेगा। व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सोल्यूशन, x is 0, then find the y value with the help of the equation, okay, and then when y is 0, find the x value with the help of the equation. This way you will end up having 2 different coordinate, and if your both the coordinate is same, that means still we have found just one solution. How many solution we want to find, 4 solution। तो क्या है easiest way 4 solution find करने का, कुछ भी ले लो, x का वैल्यू 1 ले लो, y फाइंड कर लो, वो एक सोल्यूशन दे देगा। y इक्वेशन की हेल्प से ही फाइंड करना है, y कुछ भी नहीं ले सकते, एक ही वेरिएबल रैंडमली चूज कर सकते हैं, अदर वेरिएबल इक्वेशन की हेल्प से फाइंड करेंगे तभी जाके सोल्यूशन मिलेगा. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes.
Okay, you can take x as a -1 also, and then you can find the y value from the equation. You can take x as a 2 also, and then you can find y value from the given equation. Why you will listen to me? You will take x according to your choice, and yes, you are allowed to take. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today I am keeping it this much. We will be continuing the solution part again. We will be proceeding few tricky equation we will be taking, and we will be finding the solution. The concept, the plot, everything, the basic has to be clear. Let me know so far whatever we have discussed, is that clear to all of you?